here. Why reflective glares? Struggles of being blind. Not blind, I just can't see without the glasses. Okay. Hi everyone! So we're in a different location today. We're actually in my room and I have reflective glares on my glasses as always because the light's shining in the window and But yeah, today I'm going to be reviewing the Zoella Beauty / Botanics range and I'm really excited. I've opened everything out of its packaging because I wanted to save time in the video and didn't want to be faffing about with packaging and stuff, but I haven't smelled anything and I'm so excited to do so. So we'll start off with the Zoella Beauty Quench Me. Can you see that? And look at the packaging, it's stunning. It has this baby pink round about the lid. And then it also has the it's not palm leaves, but it's leaves. I can't remember what kind they're called again. And that's the lid just there. So yeah, let's smell it. Oops. The little plastic thing was in the way. Oh my god, that smell is gorgeous. What is this? Coconut water and radiance boosting lychee. So let's not eat it, even though I said put it, oh my gosh, just put it on my arm and it's really light in consistency, which is so different from a lot of Zoella's products. Like, I do like her products, however I noticed with a lot of the body lotions that they were quite thick and they sat on the skin, whereas the formula's been changed for this and it's just sunk right into the skin and leaves it really smooth. You don't have that claggy feeling on your arm, you have to leave it to dry because that's so inconvenient. But yeah, I love that. Oh my god, well done Zoe. The formula for that's really good and the smell's incredible. It's such a fresh, summery scent, which I've heard a lot of people say, like that's the thing that people always say when they're describing this, is that it's like fresh and summery. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that. Excuse my sore throat by the way, it's hay fever. Yeah, struggles. Next we have the Zoella Make a Splash, and again it's in this baby pink packaging with the same leaves. And it's nice and summery, and this is a moisturising body wash. And oh, there we go. Put a little bit. Because a body wash, you're supposed to like wash it off, obviously. But I'm just going to put a little bit of marm anyway. Yes, again it's got that nice consistency that it rubs in easily instead of really thick and claggy. Obviously because it's a body wash, when you're in the water and rubbing it, it'll like foam up or bubble up. What does it do? Massage into wet skin until soft bubbles appear, yeah, and then rinse well, which I will do because I'm going for a bath after this to try all this out. But yeah, I really like the way that goes in, and it's just the same smell again. It looks like weird, like sniffing, like, what do you call that? What do you call that thing in there? It's not, that's your elbow, that's your oxter, so what do you call that? I don't know. You can let me down, you can let me know in the comments if you know what that is. Next we have the Drench Me. Now I'm so excited by this because it looks like a little milk carton and it's adorable. It's white and it has this awesome like geometric style, like kind of hexagons, and then it has the same leaf detailing in the lettering, and it's called Drench Me. Now this is a bubble bath soak and you just have to pour a little bit of that in the water. I'm not going to do a Mark Ferris and try and open it from this way. Yeah, you just open the lid. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's pink. I didn't realise it'd be pink. That's adorable. Yeah, I'm really impressed by that. And as far as I've seen, you only have to use a little drop of this and it makes like incredible bubbles. So I'm excited for this. It means it'll last a long time as well. It's adorable. It'd be so nice, like just displayed in your bathroom. It's so cute. Yeah, I'm excited to use that. Next we have the bath milk powder, and it's called Lagoon Love, which is so cute, and again it has a big leaf detailing and a baby pink packaging. And I'm not going to open this up because I don't want it to go everywhere and I want to actually use it in my bath. But yeah, this is super cute. Next we have the body mist. Now it's in this clear glass bottle and it has the leaf detailing on the back and on the lid as well. And yeah, let's give it a smell. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Again, it's just the same smell, however it's so strong when it's in this. Again, with Zoe's body mist, I absolutely love them, but I think this is the strongest scent yet, but I do like it and it'll last like all day I imagine, since it's such a strong scent. And last but not least, we have this little lip oil. I said last but not least because I didn't get the makeup bag. It's the only thing in the collection I didn't get because I have loads of makeup bags. But yeah, I got the little lip oil, and it's the So Soft lip oil, and it's got the beef detailing across the lid, and again it's all baby pink. It's super cute. Let's try it out. Ooh! When they were doing the live stream and they said about the applicator being cool, it is cool. Oh my god, I didn't know what it meant because I couldn't see the applicator like that much. But yeah, that is so cute. And now, just applying that to the lips. That's so moisturising. My lips are so smooth. I get really dry lips, so I think this is probably going to be my saviour. I'll probably like live in my handbag. I'll probably live in my handbag. No, this will probably live in my handbag. Yeah, okay. I'm going to go now because I'm starting to be stuttery and yeah, I can't talk. Such an awkward person. Anyway, I'm going to go and I'm going to have a bath and try all this out. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!